Okay friends, in this video we are learning how to use arrow keys in your Samsung S25 Ultra keyboard. Okay, go to Galaxy Store, then install Good Lock application, this one, then install Key Cafe plugin. Okay, then you can make your own customized keyboard. You can see here you can make different types of keyboard. Here is you can see paste. Okay, this is my custom keyboard. Then open your edit page. You can see here if I need to use arrow keys to select those sentence, okay, these lines, I can simply press the Alt key, then use this arrow mark, select, then simply read, and also I can move like this by using this arrow. So that's guys, very simple tutorial. If you need any kind of Android or iPhone tutorial, just comment below. I will post my replays as videos so you can easily watch and understand it. And if you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.